Right, another cool day in SoCal, but will there be a warm-up for tomorrow's holiday?
Yeah, KCAL News meteorologist Olga Ospina has our next weather forecast. Olga, a lot of people have tomorrow off.
Exactly, and the good news is temperatures are continuing to climb, which means that numbers are going to be warming up pretty close to average tomorrow. We're looking at upper 60s for a lot of our inland spots. So your next weather forecast is going to include that warming trend with temperatures climbing into the 70s already as we head into Tuesday. We are looking still at another chance of getting some gusty winds by the middle of the week. Another system is going to be impacting us. This one staying to our north. No wet weather expected. However, it is going to increase our winds across those higher elevations once again. And then by the weekend, that is going to be our best chance of seeing some wet weather across Southern California. So I'll show you futurecast in just a moment. First off, let's take a look at temperatures. Another cool night, 50s, 40s already for Pasadena at 49, upper 40s in Claremont, low 40s in Wrightwood along the coastline. We are feeling 49 degrees in Laguna Beach. And here's a look at the next 12 hours with numbers overnight still dropping down into the 40s for a lot of us. But look at that for Riverside. By the noon hour, we are back into the 60s. And of course, we'll continue warming up until later in the afternoon. Here's a look at winds. So even for those higher elevations, those winds have really relaxed, and they'll continue to do so as we head into the next few hours. Already by late tonight, things are looking much better. And then as you wake up on Monday, things are really pretty calm for most of us. Let's take a look at your wake up temperatures overnight. This is tomorrow morning, 45 degrees expected in Burbank, 33 in Wrightwood, 42 in Chino. So it is going to be another cool morning. So definitely get those layers out because by the afternoon, things are going to be looking pretty good. Upper 60s for some of you, 69 in Chino, upper 60s in Riverside. We're looking at low 60s at LAX and low 50s in Wrightwood. But again, that warming trend is going to continue with us, as well as the dry conditions. Here's a look at our futurecast. So we do have that system to our north. It's going to be impacting Northern California already by Wednesday. It's going to start falling apart as it heads south. So we're not expecting rain, but again, those winds is going to be the main impact we'll feel from that system. As we head into later in the week, though, that's when we do have a chance of getting some wet weather here in Southern California. Also, that ridge of high pressure is going to start getting a little closer to us by Tuesday, and that's when we're going to start seeing some 70s for inland areas. We'll continue to feel that Wednesday, Thursday, even for some spots into Friday, before this next system starts to impact us and not just cools us down, but also brings us a chance of getting some wet weather. Take a look at numbers over the next 7 days for the valleys. Tuesday, 72 degrees, keeping it in the 70s until Friday. And then the cooler temperatures back into the 60s on Saturday and the chance for rain as well over the weekend. Back to you.
Olga, thank you. A no-burn order will be in effect at midnight for much of Southern California. Air quality regulators say the ban on indoor and outdoor wood burning is due to a forecast of high air pollution. The order will remain in place just before Tuesday for non-desert portions of LA, Riverside, and San Bernardino counties and all of Orange County. This does not apply to mountain communities above 3,000 feet.
Driving in Southern California can be, well, you know, slow.
KCAL traffic keeps you moving.
With the where, when, and which way to go.
Be prepared for now and what's next. Next traffic on KCAL News.
CBS News Los Angeles. Your local news. Streaming wherever, whenever.